A member of the Jamaica Coast Guard appeared on national television recently to speak about the 40-foot container that washed ashore in Hellshire, St. Catherine. During the interview, he confidently stated that the container wasn't hazardous and that it was filled with chicken. That one statement raised more questions than answers. Because the first thing any reasonable Jamaican would want to know is, how did he know what was inside the container? Was it inspected? Was it opened? Was it scanned somehow? But the interviewer didn't ask. Instead, the officer went on to say that they saw the container floating and simply notified nearby ships so it wouldn't cause an accident at sea. He also stated clearly that it's not the Coast Guard's job to retrieve containers that fall off ships. Once the container washes ashore, it becomes the responsibility of the Marine Police. But here's the issue: in all the viral videos showing residents crowding the container and removing chicken by the bagful, not a single Marine Police officer was seen on site. And remember, this wasn't a small item. This was a 40-foot container. It would take hours to empty that out. Yet, not one officer arrived in all that time. No one came to secure the scene or protect the public. Then after the damage was done, after the chicken had already made its way into homes, deep freezes, and possibly cook shops and restaurants, the Ministry of Health finally stepped in to say, don't eat it. But the truth is, by then, it was far too late. The Coast Guard didn't secure it. The Marine Police didn't show up. And the ministry only spoke after the public already had the meat in hand. It's hard not to feel like everyone passed the buck, while the public was left exposed. And you have to wonder, if anyone out there wanted to harm Jamaicans, they now know exactly what to use. Food.